Good morning all of you. Today we are going to solve our exercise of chapter 4. Okay. The exercise is very easy. Just one common step you have to use in each and every question. Okay. So we are starting with our question number 2. Exercise 4.1. Second question we are solving first of all. Okay. So second question they have given us as 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube in this way n cube. This we have to prove equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Okay. By which method? By principle of mathematical induction. Okay. Now first of all, what you will assume? What you have to let? That this our whole statement is equal to Pn. Let Pn be the given statement. Okay. Therefore, Pn will be equal to cube of 1 plus cube of 2 plus cube of 3 in this way till cube of n, and that you have to prove equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Okay. So first of all, what you will do? When n equal to 1. Okay. Then what will the value of p of 1? P of 1 will be equal to cube of 1, that is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Okay. At every place of n we will put 1. So that means 1 will be equal to 1 into 2 by 2 whole square. 2 will cancel 2, we will get 1. Square of 1 is also 1. That means 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So P of n is true for n equal to 1. Okay. First step we have done. What is next? Let us assume P of n is true for n equal to k. Okay, this we are assuming. So therefore P of k will be equal to what? P of k will be equal to cube of 1 plus cube of 2 plus cube of 3 plus in this way till cube of k, that will be equal to k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Now we will prove, what we will prove? That P of k plus 1 is true. Okay. Whenever P of k is true. Okay. We have to write all these statements every time we are solving the question. Okay. So we will find now P of k plus 1, or P of k plus 1 will be what? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus in this way k cube plus k plus 1 cube. Okay. While we are getting this, we can assume that in this question they have given us n minus 1 cube. Okay. And whenever we will put the value of n as k plus 1, we will get k here and k plus 1 here. Okay. So we are getting this. So what will this will be equal to what? it will be equal to k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2 whole square. This we have to prove equal to this. Now if you take left hand side, this value is known to us that it is this. Okay, so in place of this we will write it. So that means what we will get? We are getting k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square plus k plus 1 cube. Okay, now we will solve it. First of all we will open its square and its cube. So this will be k square into k square plus 1 plus 2k divided by 4, and here k cube plus 1 cube 1 plus 3k square plus 3k. Okay, this will get. Now we will take LCM. So 4, it will be, now we will multiply this inside the bracket. So we are going to get k4 plus k square plus 2k cube plus 4k cube plus 4 plus 12k square plus 12k. Okay, we have multiplied 4 here. This we are going to get. Now we will add. So it will be k raised to power 4, 2k cube plus 4k cube, 6k cube plus k square plus 12k square. So that means 13k square plus 12k plus 4 by 4. Okay, now what we are going to do? Or if we don't want to do this step, directly we can do from here. After this step I am telling this, it will be very complex and lengthy, so we are not going to do this. After this step, first of all I will open square here. Okay, so I will get k square into k plus 1 square by 4 plus k plus 1 cube. Okay, k plus 1 square I can take common from here and here. Okay, so what I will get? K plus 1 whole square common. What will remain here? Here it will remain k square by 4 plus, and here k plus 1. Okay, so that means k plus 1 whole square as it is. Here we will take LCM 4, k square plus 4k plus 4. Okay, now we can split the middle term and we get our quadratic equation as k square plus 2k plus 2k plus 4 by 4. I think you know that when we split it, its addition should be equal to this and product should be equal to the product of this and this, and that only we are getting. That means we are correct. So it will be k plus 1 square. Here we will take k common. It will be what? K plus 2 plus 2 common, again k plus 2 by 4. So that will be what? It is k plus 1 square. So that will be k plus 2 taking common from here into k plus 2 by 4. So this I can write as k plus 1 square into k plus 2 square divided by 2 square, and that will be equal to what? K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2 whole square, and that is equal to our right hand side. Hence we have solved. Okay, Now next question number 3. Okay, and after this question, after writing this, then we will write that hence P of k is true. We will not write this, we will write hence P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. So this is our third question, that 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this way till 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till n, and that we have to prove equal to 2n by n plus 1. Okay, so again first what we will write, let P of n be the statement. So that means what, P of n will be equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus in this way till 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till n, that we have to prove equal to 2n by n plus 1. Now for n equal to 1, first we will prove for it. P of 1 will be equal to, here in place of n we will get only 1, so what we are going to get, here we will get 1 by 1. Okay, and here 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1, so it is 1 equal to, this is 2 into 1 2, 2 by 2 1, so 1 is equal to 1. Therefore what, P of n is true for n equal to 1. Okay, now what we are going to do, we will assume let P of n is true for n equal to k. So therefore P of k will be equal to what, P of k will be equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3, in this way till 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till n. Okay, that you have to prove equal to 2 into k by k plus 1. Okay, so now we will prove what, that P of k plus 1 is true whenever P of k is true. Okay, so what will be our P of k plus 1? P of k plus 1 will be 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, in this way till 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 till k plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till k plus 1. Okay, that will prove equal to what, 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 2. Okay, so now if we take left hand side, we know its value, we will replace. So left hand side we are taking, what we will get in place of it, we will get 2k by k plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up till k plus 1. Okay, understood till here? Now remember that sum of first n natural numbers, what is that? That is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, And what is our n here? Our n is k plus 1. Means total number of terms that we are having is k plus 1. So we'll replace n by this. So what we will get? K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. Okay. So that means sum of all these will be what? This. Okay. So we are going to replace this by this. So what we will get? 2k by k plus 1 plus, here we will write 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2, and it divided by 2. That means 2 is dividing the denominator, so it will come in numerator. Okay. So from here we can take 2 by k plus 1 common from here and here. So 2 by k plus 1 we are taken common. What is remaining? K here plus 1 by k plus 2 here. Okay. So this will be 2 by k plus 1. Now taking LCM as k plus 2, we will get k square plus 2k plus 1. Okay. Understood till here? So this will be 2 by k plus 1 into k plus 2 into, what is this? It is square of k plus 1 whole square. You can see, if we will open it, we will get this k square plus 2k plus 1. So k plus 1 will cancel the square of it. So what we are going to get? We are going to get 2 into k plus 1 by k plus 2. And that was our right hand side. That means what? That our p of k plus 1 is true whenever p of k is true. Okay. So means this question is also solved. Okay. So in this way we have to solve this complete exercise, and you have to send all your problems on WhatsApp, because it is very lengthy exercise. All the questions cannot be solved. Okay. And if you are getting any help from these questions, you can solve some of your problems if you are able. Okay. So thank you.